Exclusive to France, the remarkable Porsche 911 Carrera GTS transports us back to the past with its retro-inspired design. To celebrate 72 years at the prestigious 24-hour endurance race, only 72 units of this extraordinary vehicle will be made available. Priced at approximately €237,819 or $259,600, it offers the choice between a 7-speed manual gearbox or an 8-speed PDK, accompanied by an extensive list of standard features. Unveiled at the Le Mans Classic 2023 event, this special edition 911 Carrera GTS shines in Le Mans silver, adorned with the iconic 46 logo paying tribute to the victorious 356 SL of 1951. The paint color was developed in collaboration with the 356 SL's owner and Emery Motorsports, who spent 4 years restoring the historic car. The result is a stunning modernized gray shade. Embracing the spirit of Le Mans Triumph, the car features side louvers, gold wheels, and red seatbelts, reminiscent of the triumphant 911 GT1 from 1998. Inside, the graphite blue interior is accentuated by chalk touches on the steering wheel and a debossed Le Mans track layout with the years 1923 to 2023 displayed. Velour covers the body-hugging seats, and the special edition's name is prominently displayed on the side sills and a dashboard plaque. This limited-run model joins the ranks of other regional editions, including the 2023 America edition, with its captivating retro design, exceptional features, and limited availability. The 911 Carrera GTS offers a remarkable driving experience that pays homage to Porsche's illustrious racing history.
We are here to celebrate the Centenaire edition of Le Mans with a special project between Exclusive manufacturer and Porsche France.
Today, for the first time, we discovered our market edition 2023 Le Mans Century Edition. 24 hours of 100% emotion.
Welcome to Le Mans.
We want to share the project from the beginning to the end and having some dreams into some eyes.
What could be the best idea for this market edition?
The development of a car, it's almost like a 24-hour race at Le Mans. You never know what's going to happen until the very end.
Here in the archive, we take the valuable things from our past to create the future.
We focus on 2 hero cars, the 911 GT1 and the 356 SL.
The first sports car Porsche ever brought to Le Mans, and they won directly their class.
Here they come, toward the second flag. Porsche wins the 24 Hours of Le Mans.
The second car that had great influence on the design, the GT1 from '98.
1 lap to go, and the race can come to Porsche.
The rims of the car. In golden color, you see the detail and the love put in the definition.
This all makes a picture that is more than the sum of its parts.
All our passion came together in the creation, and now, ba-ba-bam, here is something you will not see anywhere else.
To find the correct color, we worked together with friends of the brand in the US and the owner of the original class winner,
Developing a new color, which we call Le Mans Silver.
This is the exact digit that was on the 356 SL back on the time.
You don't discover the car in 2 minutes. You really go in details. It's a story in itself.
We took the graphite blue as well as the corduroy seats. Corduroy, as we know, is the Alcantara of the past to keep the driver in the seat.
Porsche Exclusive Manufaktur always stands for craftsmanship and passion for detail.
You have so many small, little, excellent details on this car, and everything has something to say.
Born in Le Mans.
Manufactured
in Zuffenhausen. Merci aux collègues français. Thank you to Porsche France for this journey.
It's a one-time car for the 100 years of Le Mans.